Hey everyone, Jan here from the time. I don't have time because I'm playing a game. Someone got the first killed, and we're starting to get some new things. I don't need the gold because I got. So that's good. You guys hope that I'll defeat everything. Don't worry, I'm the best. What just happened to my tools? Let's go find some things. What about here? Something in this? Yeah, some chickens. And yeah, we can enchant something. Oh my gosh, we're getting so much things and more justice. Why this up? We cannot open it. Could we? Could we? Could we? No, we could. Oh shoot! Someone everywhere. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Ah! What could I help? No! No! I just died! No, that's not fair. Oh my gosh. My goodness. What? This chicken have millions and thousands of power? I mean health? Okay.